Hey, Kevin, what do you have there?
Well, just like the first robin of spring, you know, just your first true love. Summer's coming. Got a new welder. So the brand new Everlast Cyclone 200E MIG Welder, and it also does spool. Cool. It's a cute little MIG welder. You know, it's not very heavy. It's not very big. It's 200 amps. You know, it's dual voltage. It's got a real nice little LCD screen on it. Over here on this side, you can see it's got 3 different modes: MIG C25, MIG C100, and it also does fluxcore. On the other side, you can see, oh, it's got a spool gun button too. And that lets you do aluminum, which is really handy for such a little machine. It also has PowerSet, so you just come in and pick your parameters, what size wire you have. I've got 0.023 in here right now, so it's giving me a range of wire feed, a range of voltages that I can use, and you can also come in and pick your metal thickness, and then the machine takes care of all the mundane stuff inside, sets it all up for you. And under the hood, what do we got here? Oh, a Hemi, cool. No, it's got room for a 10-pound spool of wire in it. Nice little feed roller, all metal in here. Adjustment for your wire tension. Just nice and clean inside. And not only all of that, but for its size, it's dual voltage. 110, 220. Pick it up, carry it to the work site where you need it, fire it up and get to it. So let's just try out the PowerSet, see how close it is. Set up for, like I say, 023 wire. We've got mixed gas on the backside. Let me turn that on. And set it up for 14 gauge, which is as high as it'll go with the 023. So wire feed is at 400 inches. Voltage is at 18.4, and got some cold roll 1/8 inch steel plate here. So let's get to it. Come check this out. Looks real nice. Right out of the box, just using the quick set. Got one little BB over here, another one over here. I'd say PowerSet is dead on. Boy, that looks really nice. What the heck, let's mess with it some more. So we just take it off quick set. Let's dial that wire up to, oh, let's say about 4.5, 450 inches. And we'll dial that voltage up to, let's call it 20, 20.5. Let's try it once more. Not enough wire, be right back. I got the wire feed maxed out at 480. That's as high as it'll go. And 20.5 volts. Let's try it again. Looks real nice. Couple little BBs there. Wire speed's not quite fast enough for that voltage and that wire diameter, but boy, you can crank it up and get a decent weld with it. It's a nice little machine, guys. You know, definitely something to think about if you're looking for a little MIG, a little beginner MIG, or something to just carry around, carry in your truck, take to a work site or something like that. Not bad. I'm going to have fun playing with this one. So of course, spool guns are extra. They don't come with the machine. So as soon as I get my hands on one of those, I'll shoot another little video, show you guys how it works with the spool gun. Maybe I'll even put some fluxcore in. So I'll shoot some more videos of this Everlast Cyclone 200E MIG Welder. I do appreciate you all watching. Don't forget to come out to my website, see what's going on out there. Can you see that clearly?